Okay guys, so I'm back doing my attempt at baking wheat bread, and from the looks of it, looks like it increased in size. I wouldn't say that it was increased in double size, but increased in size. So it's actually been raising for over 2 hours. Definitely looks like it's increased in size, unlike the last time. What they say to do. Some flour down. Put some oil on your hand, just a little bit of flour like that there. There you go. Put some oil on your hand. Got some oil over here. So, that's probably too much. Okay, then we'll take it out of here. Hit it like that. Oh boy. Looks like we might have something going on here now. Yeah. Yep. This might be the real deal this time. Oh yeah, we're gonna have bread this time. I even got a rolling pin. Here we go. Roll. What do you know about that? Roll it out. Huh. Do I need to put some more flour down? It's a lot easier to work with than it was last time. I don't know if you guys are gonna want my recipe for this, but following recipes that I find on Facebook. This time I put 4 cups of flour, right? I didn't have regular milk, so I used, silk? Soybean milk. 1 pack of yeast in warm milk. Let it cultivate. I stirred it till it cultivated. I put 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of sugar, cane sugar, and look at that. What else did I put? An egg, 1 egg. And I had some water, some filtered water, only until I put enough water in there so I'm able to get the dough into dough consistency. Right? We actually might have bread this time. Okay. I'm gonna use a big container. So I don't know how it's gonna rise. Can you tell in my voice I'm nervous about this? Yep, I'm nervous about this. Grease your pan. And this is going to be the last raising. The last rising. Okay. Before it's time to go in again. So let's put it on that side. Let's put it on that side. Cover it back down. So, I actually put it in my office to rise in the dark because it says it needs to be in the dark. So, put it in the dark. Okay, we'll come back. Okay, my honey's gonna take the bread out of the oven for me. Timer already went off. Smells fabulous in here. Very nice, very nice. Okay, come back here now. You gotta rub it down with butter. That one right there. Yep. Here, get a napkin and take some butter out and then rub it down. All over. Make love to it with the butter. Yes, nice. Get all over. Oh no. My battery's running low. Can you believe that? Okay. You get the backside? I didn't see you get the backside. Okay, we're good. It sits there and cools off. And go ahead and take it off. There you go, honey. Thank you, honey. The red one.
There.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna come back and cut when it cools. Okay, guys. It's the moment of truth. The bread is done. She's looking beautiful. It's cooled. And now I gotta flip it. Flip it, cut it, butter it, and eat it. Oh, looky, looky, looky. And you're supposed to hit it, and it's supposed to sound hollow, is what they say. Okay. Ooh, where's my butter, my bread cutter? Here it is. You get the butter, honey? And butter. I'm gonna try and cut it thin. I don't know. It's the best one I've had, but I don't think it's quite the way it's supposed to be. It feels a little wet on the inside. I don't think it's supposed to feel wet. What do you think, honey?
Looks good.
It looks good, yeah, but it's not. I don't think it's right. Let's get some of our butter. Can I butter you a piece for you and a piece for me? Here, honey. Let's see how that goes.
Yeah.
You like it?
Oh, yeah.
I think it's good. Making me laugh here. Well, I think it came out pretty good. I think there's room for improvement. But I'm choking.
Big improvement.
Big improvement. But I mean, I'm gonna die on, die on camera.
Huh.
I mean, I think there's room for improvement.
Yeah. There always is, but this is good.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.